Hey guys, so this is the FOSSIBOT DT2. It is FOSSIBOT's latest rugged tablet, and of course it is one of the best feature-packed rugged tablets of 2023, and it's most likely going to be one of the best feature-packed rugged tablets of 2024 as well. So the world premiere would take place from the 11th of December till the 17th of December. So during that particular period, you might be able to get the FOSSIBOT DT2 for just $240. Currently the price is about $299, about $300. So for those of you that are interested, make sure to use the links in the video description. Anyway, let's explore the top features of this amazing rugged tablet. So this device is powered by the Helio G99, which is impressive. Paired with the Helio G99 is 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The RAM can be virtually expanded. The device runs on the latest Android 13, and it's the stock version of Android, so you won't be getting any unnecessary bloatware and you'll be getting the latest security updates. The phone has a 10.4-inch 2K IPS display, and in the camera department the device features a dual rear camera setup with a 64MP primary sensor, and the front facing camera is 32MP. So the battery capacity of this device is 22,000 mAh. It's one of the few rugged tablets with a really large battery, and it supports 66 watts fast charging, which is a really nice combination. Other features of the phone includes IP68 and IP69K. The device supports fingerprint scanner, face unlock, Wi-Fi 6. It has quad box speakers. It has a bright LED camping lights at the rear, NFC, OTG, and so on. So these are the top features of the FOSSIBOT DT2. Like I mentioned earlier, the device will be premiering on the 11th of December. Make sure to use the links in the video description if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.